This video covers TempTrak's set of advanced reports. TempTrak includes a number of standard reports for viewing and tracking data. All available reports are listed under the Reports menu tab on the left side of the dashboard. All TempTrak reports represent either a snapshot of an event or an accumulation and averaging of all equipment data stored in the TempTrak database. All reports can be exported in various formats including Excel, Word, PDF, and more. By default, many of the reports reflect the most recent day or the current 24-hour period. The default report period can be changed by the user by clicking the Settings option in the menu bar at the top. The User Settings panel will display. At the bottom, you will see a drop-down for the default report period, which is currently set to 1 day. Clicking on the drop-down will open the current list of available default report periods, which ranges from 1 day to 1 year. Once a selection has been made, click the Save button to apply the changes to your user settings. As we will show you later, this does not limit you from modifying how you may want to view or report a specific report. Each report consists of 3 sections: a header, the report content, and a footer. The header provides navigation and menu options. If the report displays over multiple pages, a user can navigate between pages using standard icons for Next Page, Previous Page, Go to First Page, and Go to Last Page. The report header allows for searching for specific content on the report by entering the text in the search field to the left of the Find or Next phrase. After clicking Find, each successful hit will be highlighted. You can automatically go to the next successful hit by clicking Next. Also, report headers provide the ability to export the report to a specific file format. This is accomplished by clicking the disk drop-down icon. Here you can choose to export the report to various common file formats: Word, Excel, PDF, and more. The middle section, or the report content, displays the generated report. Finally, the footer displays the report range and the execution time when the report was generated. The most commonly accessed reports by an advanced user include the Sensor Audit Report, the Equipment QA Report, the Equipment Trend Report, the Configuration Change Report, and the Relay Use Report. The Sensor Audit Report displays any audits performed on equipment during a designated time frame. The report can be created to show what audits were performed by a user for a sensor group or a specific sensor. In addition to selecting the range, the date to which you want to run a report needs to be selected. When you click the Run button, the report will generate. Please note, setting up a sensor audit will be addressed in a separate video. The Equipment QA report shows how well equipment has been working over a period of time by displaying the lowest and highest reading, the average reading, the number of sample values taken, how many were out of range, and the percentage in range. To start, select a start and end date, as well as which groups of sensors you wish to include in the report. When you are ready to run the report, click Run. The Equipment Trend Report shows how well each piece of equipment has been functioning over the past year by displaying an average of the values recorded by each month. You will need to supply an end date and which groups of sensors you wish to include in the report. When you click the Run button, the report will generate. The Configuration Change Report displays an audit trail by username of changes made to the TempTrak system, such as adding and changing profiles, user setting changes, and more. To generate this report, select the report period and then click Run. The Relay Use Report highlights in red any relay switch assigned to a sensor, along with the type of sensor and notification profile attached to that sensor. Please note, a relay switch consists of 8 separate ports, with each port allowing for a visual or audible alert to be triggered by turning on and off a sound device, light, or other device.